Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to change units in AutoCAD, an essential step before you start any drawing. First, open your drawing or start a new one. Now, type units in the command line or in the view, hit enter. This opens the drawing units dialog box. This is where all the unit settings are managed. Let's break it down. Under insertion scale, you'll see units to scale inserted content. This is where you set the primary unit system for your entire drawing. For example, you can select millimeters, meters, inches, or feet. Next, under the length, you can choose the unit type. Let's say architectural. You can see the sample output here. You can go through all of them and see which one suits your project. Now, the precision, this controls how many decimal places or fractions you see. Now, if you want to change the angle units, you can go to the Angle tab, select decimals, degrees, minutes, seconds, grads, radians, or surveyor's units. Also, you can change the precision. The clockwise means if you type 45 degrees, by default, it's gonna be rotated to the left. If you click this, it's gonna be to the right. Once you're happy with these settings, click OK, and that's it. Your drawing now uses the new unit system. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe for more quick AutoCAD tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a deeper dive into templates or dimension settings. And feel free to support me in the description. You can also feel free to support me in the description. Buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching.